I'm not jealous often, but look at this, Taylor Green. I miss doing a good skin. Look at that skin ribbon there. It's a good one today, guys. You're going to thoroughly enjoy this video today. It's a good one for us to watch. I was terribly jealous when I watched this video.
It doesn't even look like it's going to be a ribbon, though. It just looks like a block of wax.
Yeah, it does. And you think, it is, it's soft. It's kind of slightly gooey consistency. Not always an easy one to get out. No. But yeah, it's coming away.
You sometimes see it starting to unravel, and that's when you think, oh, here we go.
Yeah,
here we go.
It's a nice one when it does that. I'm not sure whether it's just Katie or whether it's Katie and me actually in this one. I'm not 100% sure. I'll have to have a little watch. So a bit of oil's gone in there by the looks of it, just to help things along. And this is the difficulty when you get skin ribbons. They want to hold in the canal. They sort of bundle tightly wrapped pieces of skin, and the skin is from the ear canal wall. It's just dry skin that's come away. And because the way the skin grows in the ear canal, this the kind of lateral sort of conveyor belt growth. If it detaches too soon, it carries on growing. So you end up with these long strips that roll over one another. And that's kind of what we're looking at here. So you can, by this point, I'd be going, ooh, maybe. Yeah.
Starting to stretch now and unravel. You can see how long that's starting to get now.
It's when you kind of just comes out the ear canal, it just does that. It just kind of opens up like a flower. It's lovely.
Ooh.
It's nearly there. It's got a kind of, the problem here is I think you've got skin ribbon mixed with a block of wax. So it's kind of wrapping around it as well.
So right around the corner as well. It's all trapped in there. Oh, here we go.
So you can just, it's just promising, isn't it? You just get that little bit of skin coming away.
Yeah.
I love a good skin. They are probably, they're in my top 3 types of removals to do.
It's just so satisfying.
They are.
When you see how long it, I know it sounds horrible. when you see how long when it comes out, look at that.
Look at that. But it always reminds me of is the doner kebab. the doner kebab.
Yeah.
It looks like that, or kind of like a pastrami or that kind of thing. It's got that kind of look to it.
Cool.
That's
I haven't had a doner kebab in ages. It just repeats on me. I know. I think that's probably why I stopped eating them.
They used to have a doner kebab pizza.
Oh.
Yeah, it's like 2 foodstuffs you think would never ever work well together, but they kind of work really well.
Look at that.
I know. This is the clip we showed at the beginning as well. So this is a really good bit because it's still going.
I remember the first time I had one of my longest ones, I remember just dangling in front of the picture, like, look at this. So that never came from my ear.
I know. They're always really short, because I think you've picked my record now, haven't you?
No.
You still not picked that one?
No, I don't know.
I don't think I'll ever have one. I think that was a once in a career skin ribbon, that one.
What did you get, like 11 centimetres?
It's 11, about 11 centimetres, I think.
I think mine was about 7 or 8, I think. Cool.
There you go, looking a lot better. Very similar on this side as well. So this very kind of compact skin and wax plug in here.
It's quite likely to be a first-time patient as well, or someone who hasn't been to us for a very long time, because that takes years to accumulate to that length.
It does.
But cool.
And a lot of the time you'd experience pressure, pain, hearing problems before it even got to that kind of level. There you go. Right, in there. Oh, nice.
Back over the top.
You can see how it's stringing from the side of the canal wall a little bit there.
Bit of pressure now.
Yeah. Bit of forward momentum. That's on.
Oh, it's coming.
That's a nice one, isn't it? That's a nice one.
Oh.
Whoa, that's a good piece. That's a good size plug. Fair play. Still trying to find the back end of it to pull it out. Right hook going.
Switcheroonie now. Flip it over.
Look, get a side profile and everything you did then. See, like that. That's how you do it.
Colour gradient.
Look how clean that came away there.
Perfect.
Really, really.
Ooh.
6, 7, 8, 5, 4.
4.5 on the edge.
Jeez, that's a 5 inches then.
I didn't see the inches. I didn't even see
5 inches.
I didn't even see the other one.
Oh my goodness me!
Fair play.
Yeah, that's good going. That is fair play. I think this patient is mine. I think I'm not 100% sure now. Actually, no, I think it might be Katie's looking at that.
It's got a Katie colour.
It's got a Katie colour to it.
Katie colour. The camera's got a Katie
Katie's
colour.
like a slightly different hue to the rest of ours, so it's you can usually tell. But that's a pretty blocked up canal there, isn't it? Again,
very similar, like a drier type of skin by the look of it.
Yeah.
See, that's what's holding it on around the outer edge.
Yeah. Guys, don't forget, if you do enjoy the videos, you can always like, heart, share, follow, and subscribe for me, well, for us. And if you really enjoy the videos, you can also consider becoming members of the channel. If you're interested in that really long skin ribbon I told you about earlier, at the end of the video, I'm going to pop a thumbnail up in the corner. Click on that because it is a beastie. It's a good one if you want to watch that one as well. That's the biggest one we've ever done at Audiology Associates. But this is a heck of a lot of skin in here as well, isn't it?
It almost looks similar to like a keratin, like that harder type of skin. You can see it's not really kind of coping well with the suction at the moment.
No.
Katie's just struggling to get a good grip. Oh, we've got a little bit of a pull on this one actually.
It almost looks like, you're going to get that really thick, sort of almost like a thick cornflake of keratin that's going to come away from that top corner. Your manual tool. Oh, yeah, forceps.
Forceps, here we are.
Oh, I thought that was going to be another ribbon then.
Yeah, good grip on that piece of the bottom though.
Yeah. I think I would have either gone there or right here out over the top.
There's that little gap on the side.
Yeah. Oof. That's a beastie as well, isn't it? Look at that.
That's a good one. It almost like there's a thin layer of skin over the eardrum as well. Yeah. Bit of oil. Oh, that should peel away quite nicely if you can get a good grip on that. Oh no, there's oil coming on the camera.
Oof, you can see where that kind of keratin has really been. Is this yours?
I don't know.
I think it might be yours actually.
That's mine, is it?
Yeah, I think so.
Oh, there you asked me.
Because I don't remember Katie saying she did this one. I remember, I think you said there was a thin, you had one where there was a thin layer of skin over the eardrum, so I think it's actually yours.
That might be mine then, huh?
Yeah.
It's
you don't want to hold them.
Yeah, like sometimes they come away really easy, but I've had to use quite a bit of oil in here, so it's just getting on the camera, unfortunately. There we are.
Oh, that's going to be a nice peel. That's going to be a nice peel. I thought it was going to be a nice peel.
Is it the one I think I might remember this one actually. I think she's got 2 layers over the eardrum.
No way.
So this is the first one we're peeling away now. I'm pretty sure there was a second one as well that we peel away. And that's what I said. I remember saying to the lady, I was like, we normally see it quite often where there's like 1 layer, but we don't really get it where there's like another one behind it.
Yeah.
Just get this little bit away.
That was just to minimise the risk of like clarinetting.
Well, it's probably my vision as well, I think. Probably, yeah, you can see like it still doesn't look quite clear, even though we've broken away that front surface. Oh, there's a little bit on the side there. It's just getting on the camera. I don't like those, but they just kind of pucker up on the one side of the canal as you're going in. So I'm just going on the side there now, right. Hopefully we'll avoid it now. Right. Peel this bit away. It is quite a satisfying one when it comes away. I think it peels down the ear canal if I can remember.
Oh, nice. Oof. It's difficult when you've got to peel towards you. Much easier to peel away, isn't it? But peeling towards you is not an easy option. Oh yeah, look at that.
Yeah, starting to come.
Nice. It's almost like a spider web kind of.
Yeah, very, very, very thin.
Yeah.
So this is the first layer that we're taking away here. I'm just trying to, well, it doesn't seem to be peeling much further than this one. You can see it's starting to break apart now on the right hand side there. There we are. Got managed to get that bit away, to get that little bit on the top there now.
Yeah, there's something not quite right about the eardrum, isn't it?
That's what I was thinking, because I was like, I've cleared that first layer away. Normally we'd see a nice clear eardrum behind that, but I'm thinking it still looks a little bit
matte,
skinny, like yellowy kind of, So I thought, I'll have another little go. I'll try and touch the fine end on the eardrum and watch this start to come away now. I thought, oh yeah, it is actually another layer.
No.
There we are, look at that coming away.
That's insane.
2 layers.
Look at that. That is super satisfying, Taylor Green.
It is. And I was struggling to get a grip with because it's still quite a dry, even though it's thin.
It's coming down the canal, mate.
Bit of a wiggle by here now. Ooh. Here it comes. Patient maturing so much better once this cleared away.
That is insane, Taylor Green. Look at the difference of the eardrum now.
That's what you want to see. But yeah, this patient obviously has a bit of difficulty with her ears expelling that skin. It's obviously just kind of forming, and it's just struggling to get down that ear canal. But yeah, 1 layer we've seen quite a few times, but 2 layers we don't really see it where there's kind of 2 layers over the surface.
I've never done one with like almost like a double layer of skin. That's a new one on me. Well, guys, thank you very much for watching. 2 really good removals there as well. Don't forget, if you want to see the big long skin ribbon, click up there, it's going to be up there any second. And until next time, guys, as always, take care of yourselves.
Take care of your ears.
And take care of one another. And myself and lovely Mr. Taylor Green will see you soon. Bye, everybody.
Bye-bye.